From the Forbes Cloud 100, I'm your host, Josh Matches, and I'm joined by Mohit Aron, the CEO of Cohesity. Could you tell us about Cohesity and what you do?
The big problem that we saw was something that we refer to as mass data fragmentation, which basically means that our customers' data is fragmented all over the place, whether it's their on-premises infrastructure or it's the clouds. And the way we solve that is that we kind of brought that together on a single logical platform spanning their multi-cloud environment. And that was managed using a single UI, right? So now it's very simple to manage, and bringing it all on one platform gets rid of that mass data fragmentation. And on top of that, we also offer protection against ransomware. So cybersecurity is built in. It's one of the things that we offer as part of the data management features that we offer on this platform.
Can you tell us about some of the challenges you had to overcome to build such a successful company from the ground up?
When I started the company, one of the challenges I had was I didn't quite know how to hire good non-technical talent. And so I had to learn some of these things the hard way, how to really go from being a technologist to a person who has breadth across technology and go to market and whatnot. So that's just one of the challenges. The other challenge, of course, is that we enter the market through a very crowded space, backups, right? And to actually prove that we're not just a great backup, but also a platform on which you can do more. That takes time. It takes time to change or educate the market on the merits of the fact that you can actually do more on one platform.
What do you believe is Cohesity's X factor?
I think one of our X factors is definitely our employees, and we are maniacal about our culture. Without having great people who can carry the vision forward, it's not going to work, right? It's never my way or the highway. If it was that, then we'd be limited by the intellect of one person. So we truly want to create a culture where we can hire great people. We want to give them a culture that they really enjoy, and really give them an environment where innovation really can be brought out from these people. So having grassroots innovation is one of our X factors. The second, I would say, is the fact that we're a platform. Like I said earlier, we're not a one-trick pony. We're not a product that comes to a customer and they can only do one thing on it. So we are truly a platform. We may start with one thing, namely enterprise backups, perhaps, but then it's truly a platform on which our customers can do way more. And that's, I would say, our other X factor.
Tell me about Cohesity's recent market momentum, growth, and how you've scaled.
You hire the right leaders, right? No one person can do everything. And you need to be responsible, again, learn how to hire great leaders. And then those leaders will hire people underneath them, and then you empower them and delegate so that they can do goodness and bring goodness to that area, right? So it's all about, I like to say that Cohesity is the technology is that of a distributed system, but we also manage the company as a distributed system. So, we delegate control, and we make sure that we hire good people. We have a very firm set of guidelines on how we do our hiring. We're maniacal about, we have something that we call competency-based hiring that we use to really make sure that we hire the best talent out there. And then we like to empower our people and let them do their jobs. So that's the key to really scale the company.
What does it mean to you and your team to be a part of the Forbes Cloud 100?
This is the third time that that we have been graciously put on the Forbes Cloud 100. It's testament to the fact that the team is doing something great. We are bringing a meaningful disruption to the next generation of data management, and also to the cloud, right? We are showing that there is a better way to do things. We need to move away from mass data fragmentation. We can totally have this hyperscaler-like approach where you can have a logical platform spanning your multi-cloud environment, and on that you can generate so much goodness. So I think it's a great recognition, and just great to see some recognition for what our teams are doing, and it's absolutely great.